Hello, today we will be learning about very important topics that we all are familiar but neglect in our daily life. So, with this video, I want to bring your attention towards this important terms that is tools. So, let's get started. So, by definition, what is a tool? Tool is an object that extends our ability to modify the feature of surroundings, environment, and help them accomplish a particular task. Means, with like this is the land. With the help of this simple plow and animals, we can change the demographic of the land. So this person alone cannot do this plowing by itself. So with by using this simple tool, now the capacity of this man is increased by using them. So tool play an important role in modifying the feature of the surrounding environment and help them accomplish a task. This man has a task to plow this field. So using tool and learn how to use them extends the individual ability. So if we as a person have some ability like we can do some this kind of work with our bare hands and body. So by using tool that ability increases many times. Like this person have limited time in a day, so he can like consider this part only if whole day. So by using this tool and monitor this whole plot can be plotted with the help of tool by this man. So the capability of this man increased by using tool. So it is very important to use the tool to modify environment as well as to extend the ability. This is very important. Our capability get extend by using the tools. So we use a lot of tool in our day. So let's move forward and discuss them. So why tool are very important? So because we discussed in last slide that tools extend our ability. So what are these factors? So first is that with time society evolved. Society evolved around tools only. Initially we have limited ability as human. So by using tool we make use of resources around us and conquer nature in some way. So to cope up with the changes in society, we need to know how to use the basic tool of the society, like car. We are using a car in the society. So if we use car, so our capability to move from this place to another place increases by using car. So it is important to cope up with change of society. So next is that tool saves time, and the same is the example of the car. If we use the car, our time gets saved, and we have limited time. Like if we have like 60 years to live on average, if we use tool, then the time is saved, and it can be better utilized for some other thing. So tool saves time. It extend our capacity. Like if we can do calculation, like we all can do calculation, but for bigger calculation we use calculator, so that extend our capability. Like we can compute like multiplication of 3-digit numbers easily, but by using calculator that capacity increased and our productivity also increased and time is saved. So these factors are important, and if we use the resources efficiently, so that increase overall efficiency, that's same. So like to move from one continent to another we can do by swimming, but by using this tool, famous tool plane, we can easily reach in few hours to other place. And same with the, like we can use the tanks to, like weapons are also very important kind of tool. So we can use these to extend our capability. So tools are very important. So tools are everywhere, we know this. Like the things apart from ourselves, and in some case our body also, but we cannot see that tool. So the things apart from the us belonging to universe act as a tool. So these can be living things or non-living things. Living things are like humans around us. We can collaborate with the human with certain capacity and increase our efficiency. Like we can, if we can do one thing by ourselves, and if we use multiple people, so we can work faster, like in business people do. So this is very important. Living beings also, like we use animals, like in plowing field case we use kettles to plow the field. This is very funny kettle, but you get the point, huh? We travel on horses, so that increase our capacity to move from one place to another. And now the case of the non-living thing are a lot of things around us, like simple stick. The simple stick is also a tool. By using the stick we can dig a hole, we can beat an animal. That's a very funny example, but we can do a lot of things with the simple stick. And if you use how to use the stick, then we can do many works. So next is, so learn to use tool and use the tools to learn. Now we are living in the intellectual society. We all are intellectual being, so there are a lot of tools present around us. So it is very important to use the tools to learn, as well as learn how to use the tool. These both terms are important, as tools are increasing in their efficiency, so both are increasing. Learning tools are very popular and need to be learned faster to increase the efficiency. So if we know how to use tool efficiently, that determines our output. Means a 1% and 2%. If both use same tool, both know, like person one know how to use the stick, person two also know how to use the stick, but who's ever know to do that efficiently will get the maximum output. So this is the catch, to know which tool are surrounding us, as well as to know how to use that tool efficiently. That is the big part in the output. Like we all have mobile phones, and if somebody used it for just scrolling, and other used that to run a business, so you know who will get the maximum output. So this is the crux. And in the later video also we will be discussing more of tools, how to use tool, and so on. So it is very interesting topic and need to be known in our day-to-day life as well. So there are lot of tool that we need to learn, as well as some tool are not efficient, and there are better version available for them. That will be a part of later video. So thank you so much for joining into this video, and please mention your favorite tool in the comments, so that we all can know about that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.